Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe video, and today is for beef patties. It's almost like meatballs and also burger, but it's beef patties and it's from Hungary and it's called Fasirt. It's pretty simple to make, and originally they are fried. For this following video, I baked them in oven instead because it's winter and I don't really like frying when it's winter because although we have the exhaust on, sometimes the smell of the food is inside the house. Unlike when it's summer or other season beside winter, we can open the window and door widely. But during winter, we obviously cannot really because it's too cold. So I bake them instead. But they are as good as fried and little healthier in the fat section. So I'll see you soon again, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. This is 700 gram of ground beef, quarter cup of diced onion, 4 diced or thinly sliced garlic, a pinch of paprika. This one I use the hot paprika one. Half tablespoon of parsley, flake parsley, and half tablespoon of dried chives, and 1.5 tablespoon of Vegeta powder. Over here you have crumbled bread. I use the end of my bread, so you can use 2 slices of bread, or if it's the end, the end is something like this, use 4 of them. Then added in 2 whole eggs. I don't remember if I mentioned about the cumin, but that's quarter teaspoon of cumin. I know Hungarians don't really use cumin. They seem to think cumin is all Indian, but I love cumin in this fasirt. Just want to kind of dig in and mix everything and shape them into round. You can shape them into like meatballs or slightly bigger than meatballs, or you can shape them into like burger. Once you shape them, you just want to roll them to breadcrumbs, and then we're gonna fry them. Normally fasirt are fried, but I'm gonna bake mine instead today. We're gonna bake them at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes.